Input lag is the enemy of responsive gaming. Today, we'll optimize your Toshiba TV settings to achieve the lowest possible input lag for competitive gaming performance. Input lag is the delay between pressing a button on your controller and seeing the action happen on screen. Even a delay of 50 milliseconds can mean the difference between victory and defeat in competitive gaming. High input lag creates a frustrating disconnect between your actions and what you see. Your character might get shot before you even see the enemy appear on screen. The solution is game mode. This single setting on your Toshiba TV bypasses most image processing that causes input lag, reducing delay from 50 milliseconds down to just 10 to 15 milliseconds. Beyond enabling game mode, you must disable specific settings that add processing delay. Motion enhancement is the biggest culprit, adding 20 to 40 milliseconds of lag. To access these settings on your Toshiba TV, navigate to the Setup menu. You'll find the Picture Mode settings, where you can enable game mode and disable the lag-inducing features. Local dimming presents a trade-off decision. While it enhances visual quality by improving contrast, it can add 5 to 10 milliseconds of input lag. For competitive gaming, consider disabling it. For single-player games where visuals matter more, the slight lag increase might be acceptable. Recent Toshiba TV models can achieve impressive input lag performance. With proper optimization, you can reach 10 to 15 milliseconds of input lag, making them competitive with dedicated gaming monitors. For PC gaming specifically, there's one additional optimization. Set your HDMI color space to PC RGB instead of the default YUV. This provides sharper text rendering and more accurate colors for PC games and desktop use. By enabling game mode and disabling motion enhancement, noise reduction, and dynamic contrast, your Toshiba TV transforms into a responsive gaming display. These simple changes can reduce input lag by up to 75%, giving you the competitive edge you need. Optimizing colors and visuals on your Toshiba gaming TV enhances your gaming experience without sacrificing the low input lag we achieved in the previous section. Color temperature is crucial for accurate color reproduction. The ideal setting is 6500K, also known as warm mode, which provides the most natural and accurate colors for gaming. Understanding color spaces is essential for optimal gaming visuals. Use Rec 709 for standard dynamic range content and Rec 2020 for high dynamic range gaming to ensure accurate color reproduction. Now let's configure the essential picture settings. Set brightness to 50, contrast to 85-90, color saturation to 45 to 50, and keep sharpness minimal at 0 to 10 to avoid artificial enhancement that can mask important game details. HDMI enhanced format is essential for modern gaming. Enable this setting to unlock 4K at 120Hz support, which is crucial for next-generation consoles and high-end PC gaming. For PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series XS owners, enable 120Hz output in your console settings. This unlocks the smoothest possible gaming experience when combined with variable refresh rate technology. Variable refresh rate eliminates screen tearing and stuttering by synchronizing your TV's refresh rate with your console's frame rate. Enable VRR in both your console and TV settings for the smoothest gaming experience. Even in game mode, proper calibration is essential for competitive performance. A well-calibrated display helps you spot enemies in dark corners, distinguish between similar colors, and maintain visual clarity during fast-paced action. To summarize, set your Toshiba TV to game mode, use 6500K color temperature, enable HDMI enhanced format, configure your console for 120Hz output with VRR, and remember that proper calibration enhances competitive performance without adding input lag.